Hello friends! In this video I will tell you the features of Anbes Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. Anbes Cordless Soldering Iron Kit represent a significant advancement in the field of soldering tools, offering users enhanced portability and convenience compared to their traditional counterparts. The evolution of soldering equipment has seen a gradual transition from wired models to portable, battery-operated designs. This shift addresses the practical challenges that hobbyists and professionals alike face when accessing hard-to-reach areas or working in mobile environments. One of the most notable benefits of cordless soldering irons is their versatility. Users can perform soldering tasks without being tethered to an electrical outlet. This freedom is particularly advantageous for projects involving circuit repairs in tight spaces or outdoor settings where electrical access may be limited. Additionally, cordless models often incorporate lightweight designs and ergonomic features, making them comfortable for prolonged use. The Anbes Soldering Kit is a prime example of the innovative features available in modern cordless soldering kits. Equipped with a digital display, this soldering iron allows users to monitor the temperature accurately, ensuring optimal performance for different soldering tasks. Its USB rechargeability adds an extra layer of convenience, enabling users to power the device from laptops, power banks, or any standard USB charger. This capability enhances the iron's portability, making it a choice tool for on-the-go applications. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.